Introduced in 1976, the Yamaha XS400 appeared at a time when major manufacturers were anticipating the end of the two-stroke era and turning their attention to developing four-stroke road bikes. The mid-capacity XS is designed more as a reliable work vehicle than a sports machine, competing against models such as the Kawasaki KZ400, Suzuki GS400, and Honda 400 Hawk. And this is the Yamaha XS400 by Roman Juris. As the basis for his custom-built test vehicle, Roman Juris used a 40-year-old, oil-cooled, nearly 50 HP Yamaha inline two-cylinder engine strung on aluminum engine mounts. The footrests and levers are also aluminum, and the polished aluminum swing arm comes from a Yamaha YZF 125, shortened and equipped with a decentralized direct-connected cantilever shock absorber. The 17-inch wire spoke wheels are actually the Supermoto version. Roman Juris made the fairing part from fiberglass in typical Yamaha colors with the brand's typical decoration. The metal fuel tank is hidden under the tank cover, and a carbon-plated silencer with two outlets hangs directly under the rear apron, all in-house. With a coastal cockpit, LED lights, handlebar and mirrors, and license plate holder, the Yamaha XS400 Roadster at least looks street legal, and according to Roman Juris, that's the whole point of his series chassis test vehicle. The air-cooled twin-cylinder offered 45 HP and was faster than most of its competitors. That's not bad at all, but a small 400 four-stroke engine isn't going to win over any street riders. More importantly, Roman wanted to test a new front suspension concept he had developed, a progressive reverse suspension fork assembly PUSDF designed to minimize movement under braking, a system he patented. There are 3 patent applications. 1. Progressive, for example, for a wheel travel of 120 mm, there is a fork lift of 60 mm. 2. When springing, the front wheel axle is pushed forward, thereby eliminating the shortening of the wheelbase. 3. Separation of spring force and braking force, the bike does not sink when braking. Roman built the entire frame from scratch, and the XS now has a shorter YZF 125 swing arm, Supermoto wheels, a custom fairing with a beautiful paint job, and a unique front suspension setup.